Very good morning. This presentation is being brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is America at the Crossroads, 10 most critical policy challenges for US presidential candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen the debate last night between the two contestants of presidential election in US. While the verdict is going to be debated and discussed, let us look at the hardcore reality in front of both the candidates. As the 2024 election approaches, the United States stands at a pivotal juncture, facing a complex array of national and international policy challenges. These challenges and their tackling will not only shape America's future, but shall influence global stability. Each candidate's ability to navigate these 10 key policy points being articulated here shall be crucial from the electorate's perspective in assessing the two candidates' vision and competency for leading the nation and the world in days to come. The first challenge and the key point is economy and inflation control. The US GDP grew by 2.1% in 2023, but with inflation hitting a 40-year high of 9.1% in 2022, highest since 1981, and the Federal Reserve intervening to raise interest rates aggressively since then to bring it down to hover around 3% currently, which is still above 2% target mark, thus driving up the cost of living for millions of Americans. And economic recovery remaining sluggish, compounded by global supply chain disruptions and energy prices, managing the two shall be really testing for the candidates. One, inflation, which directly affects livelihoods and domestic stability. Second, unemployment with 8.4 million Americans jobless. And third, ensuring economic stability with national debt standing at $33 trillion now and still growing. Policies to curb inflation, reduce national debt and support the working class while balancing corporate interests will test the economic acumen of both the candidates. Second, climate change and energy policy. 2023 saw a 20% increase in weather-related disasters, costing the US over $165 billion. The US pledged to cut greenhouse gas emissions by 50 to 52% by 2030, but it remains the second largest global emitter. Candidates shall have to present comprehensive climate and energy plans not only on strategic energy security important for the US, but also on how to balance the $30 billion renewables market while addressing at the same time the needs of the 9.8 million people employed today in traditional energy sector. The third challenge is foreign policy and global standing. America's withdrawal from Afghanistan in 2021 and ongoing conflicts like the Ukraine war have reshaped US foreign policy. With China's economy set to surpass the US by 2035, managing diplomatic ties with China, revitalizing NATO alliances, and addressing global security concerns in an increasingly multipolar world will be a stern test of any president's global leadership skills. The next US president shall have to restore and maintain America's global leadership. With geopolitical tensions rising from the Russia-Ukraine war to China's increasing geopolitical and economic influence, from Middle East situation and Iran to South China Sea tensions, the US must restore its global leadership role. Managing the China-US rivalry, rebuilding alliances, and addressing global conflicts will require exceptional diplomatic skills. America's economic and military might hinges on maintaining international partnerships and helping restore global order and nuclear proliferation in check. The US defense budget for 2024 is projected to be around $842 billion. Candidates will have to demonstrate their ability to navigate complex international threats while maintaining national security using their budget effectively. The fourth key point and challenge is national security and cyber security. Cyber attacks and threats to national security are increasing in frequency and in sophistication. The frequency of cyber attacks has risen by 32%, with ransomware attacks alone costing $20 billion globally in 2022. As new technologies like artificial intelligence emerge, the US faces unprecedented national security threats in this digital space, ensuring the safety of critical infrastructure, protecting personal data of American people, and combating terrorism will highlight a candidate's foresight and preparedness. Fifth challenge is healthcare reforms. The US healthcare system, the most expensive in the world, spending 17.7% of GDP on healthcare, continues to still leave 30 million Americans uninsured and many underinsured as per World Health Organization. The system ranks 37% in the world for outcomes. Rising drug prices, disparity in healthcare access, complexity of insurance which continues to burden families, and the need for a sustainable Medicare system will challenge candidates to propose feasible reforms without burdening the federal budget. The debate on universal healthcare versus market-based reforms remains critical. A candidate's plan to reform healthcare and make it more accessible will directly impact the well-being of millions of Americans and the economy. The sixth challenge is immigration and border security. With over 2.2 million migrant encounters in at the US southern border, immigration remains one of the most urgent, contentious, and pressing national issues. Over 11 million undocumented immigrants reside in the country, straining public services, citizen safety, and border security. Candidates will need to present comprehensive solutions, balancing humanitarian concerns with uncompromisable national security. 7 challenges: gun control and public safety. In 2022, 48,000 Americans lost their lives to gun violence, with mass shootings peaking at 647 incidents. Striking a balance between Second Amendment rights and public safety is vital, as gun violence increasingly concerns a majority of voters. Given that over 60% of Americans favor stricter gun laws, candidates will need actionable solutions to address this crisis. Any credible plan will have to balance constitutional rights with effective measures to reduce gun violence and protect public safety. The 8th challenge is social justice and racial equity. The racial wealth gaps remain stark and staggering. Candidates shall have to propose meaningful criminal justice reforms and economic policies to close these disparities and create a more equitable society. Ensuring the sustainability of social security and welfare programs is a significant concern also. Social security is projected to be insolvent by 2034 without reforms. Candidates shall have to propose viable solutions to support the aging population and vulnerable communities. The 9th challenge is education and student debt. Student loan debt stands today at $1.75 trillion, with an average borrower owing over $37,000, thus putting pressure and stress on young adults and the economy. The US ranks 13th in global education ranking. It ranks 38th in maths and 24th in science globally. Candidates shall have to tackle student debt relief while advocating for reforms in higher education funding, K-12 education quality, and vocational training to strengthen the future workforce. In short, candidates shall have to address both the debt crisis and education quality to prepare the next generation for a competitive world economy. Candidates shall certainly have to focus on policies that enhance educational quality, accessibility, and affordability. 10th and the last challenge is infrastructure development. Despite the passage of a bipartisan $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill in 2021, the implementation simply lags, and the American roads, bridges, and utilities remain outdated. The American Society of Civil Engineers, which gave US infrastructure a C grade in 2021, estimates that $2.6 trillion more is needed over the next decade. Modernizing infrastructure is essential for long-term economic growth, development, and competitiveness, public safety, and improving the quality of life across the country. Candidates shall have to present plans for investing in transportation, technology, and public services to support future development. Having understood the 10 key points and challenges which the candidates face and will have to face once elected as President of the United States, the conclusion which comes out is that the 2024 election will be a critical test of leadership. Candidates shall have to prove their vision and their competency by addressing above vital national and international policy issues with clear, actionable solutions. Voters will demand not just promises but demonstrated ability to navigate and solve these challenges in ways that benefit all Americans. The leadership tested in this election will determine not only the nation's direction but also its role in a rapidly evolving global order. In this crucial movement, the stakes are high for the United States and for the entire world looking at the outcome of these elections. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.